Hi everybody, welcome. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in common diesel parts, and today we would like to share you one of our hard sealing valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly, let's see the outside packaging. This kind of blue VCI anti-rust bag, and here this is the label, also with our Shumatt brand logo, and the product code is F00RJ01692. And for this kind of the logo, the label packages, etc., we can support a customized service. And now let's take a look for the inside. Well, let's take a look. For the inside part is this kind of transparent bottles, and inside of it is we use the oil paper to wrap it up. And for this one, it's China-made brand new 120 series, and the product code is F00RJ01692. And for this valve assembly, the apply cable inject number is 0445120440081, etc. That's the valve cap. In here, you can see the code there with the coding figures, and that's the valve rod. And here, Caitlin has 3 tips I'd like to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean the valve assembly, it's better to clean it with oil, don't clean it with the water. And the second tip is we'll install it, make sure the valve cap in the right position, and the valve rod can be moved smoothly of the inject body. Okay, so much for today. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.